Hey YouTube followers, Merry Christmas! I'm in Arizona, in the middle of nowhere, like nowhere, in my mommy's trailer. And this is going to be quite the interesting video because I'm going to make fudge. But I have nothing that I need. Like for example, let me show you. The stores were all sold out of corn syrup. What a freaking surprise on the holidays. I'm using, it's backwards. Yeah, I know, shut up. It's blue agave syrup. It's also an invert sugar, like corn syrup or honey, so I think it'll be okay, but yeah, so I have this. I also do not have a scale, like I always tell you people to get, or a probe tip thermometer, like I always tell you to get. I have, check it out. I've got a little camping stove and these little rinky-dink spatulas that'll probably not be long enough. But, you know, we're gonna make it work. So I also had to use my brain to make conversions for this because I don't have my scales. So everything's in grams in my normal recipe, and now I'm like, cups, tablespoons. Yeah, I don't know. That's the potatoes that I was making. Anyways, I am going to document all this madness for you because this is going to be an experiment. Candy's very precise, and this is just winging it. So, we'll be back. I will be back. So we got the sugar in the pan. Sorry about the background noise, it's just nature of the beast. Here's the evaporated milk, and no, I don't know how much I'm putting in. I'm just kind of guesstimating at this point. That sounds about good. Sure. This is what happens when you don't have. See what happens, Larry? See what happens when you fuck a stranger in the ass? Sorry, just not Lebowski. This is what happens when you don't have measuring implements. On to the next ingredient. Okay, here's the agave syrup. We're just gonna... Sure. That seems about right. So I am now adding the marshmallow fluff. Don't have a freaking way of measuring, but that's okay. We're gonna use a fork. It's a dingle hopper. No, that's not food safe. What have I told you about food safety? Do as I say, not as I do. Okay, so I think I'll... I don't want to touch it with the stick. What is this?
I still have that, and it still fires. Yep.
Now it's just sticking to that.
Yep, I love that thing, man.
Okay, I got it. Oh, there's still a little. Still a little. That's my brother talking. He's very loud. God love him, but very loud. So, here, get off my spatula. Okay, next ingredient. Alright, we have a half a stick of butter. God, my brother's loud. Sorry, bro, I love you if you're watching this. Merry Christmas. Half a stick of butter. Normally I'd melt it in the microwave first, but there's potatoes in there right now. So I'm just going to boop it in there and it'll melt with the heat, right? So this isn't candy making. I'm like dual actioning right now. Whoever come up with the game hot potato is just like stupid and really bored. So I was lazy. My mom doesn't have very many appliances. She's got a microwave and air fryer, that little burner thingy you saw, and a little tiny like toaster convection oven thingy. So there's not a lot of methods of cooking things. Fuck you, potato. Cook another one. And back. I just gotta be quick because I gotta get back to making this candy. You don't want to see me do potatoes. This is boring. It's so hot. See the steam? Do you see it? Okay, just gonna. Oh fuck me! I'm just gonna core a couple more potatoes, and then we'll be right back with the fudge with the last ingredient. Okay, trying to make fudge while family's in a deep-seated political conversation about random crap and socialism, and I don't really give a fuck. I'm just trying to make candy for you guys, so sorry if you hear it. But I'm going to turn on the little power thing, the flame, I guess. Not the power thing, the flame. I have to turn the flame on. Flame on, man. And you can use vanilla now, or you can add it later. It really doesn't matter. I think I'm gonna add mine now because when you add it later, it does like cool down the mixture a little bit, and I want to have enough time to melt the chocolate that I'm gonna add, which I haven't shown you yet. I will get there in just a moment. Okay, the chocolate I'm using, since I don't have my normal wonderful Coverture chocolate, is the Ghirardelli's 60% cacao. It looks like it's backwards for you guys, but it's 60% cacao. And then I've got this white chocolate from Ghirardelli as well. It says premium baking chocolate, but just make sure when you look on the back, it says that there's cocoa butter in it. Even white chocolate that you're using, good white chocolate should have cocoa butter, not palm oil and nastiness. So I'm probably gonna use like half a bar. I'll probably have another box. I'll probably use 6 squares. And then the white chocolate, I will probably just use 1 square. So I'm not giving you measurements on the rest of it, but when do I ever? All right, I'll be back. Okay, I'm gonna do my best here to not get any of the outside conversation. Fuck. And cook this without making a huge mess. I have to turn it on. Nope, that's not right. See, I'm already messing it up. Fuel lock on, and I don't normally cook over fire. I cook over burners and stove tops. God damn it, everybody's so loud. I protect me and my own. Sorry, I'm making funny during my candy making video. You're just so loud. Monk, if you're watching this, I think my brother rivals your volume. Like, literally, it's all the time. You at least have a somewhat quiet time voice. This one, no. But anyways, I'm not going to sit here and be boring while I'm filming this because it's just going to be me doing this and you're going to hear that. So I'll be back. Shit. See? Lurble. This is what happens. See what happens? You drop your shit in the shit. Oh my god. Every time. The spatula's not going to work. Working with mediocre things. Gonna burn this. Let me find this interesting. God damn it. I'm dropping shit in the pot. Stop for a second to look for something and it slid down into the pot. Not good. Okay, keep stirring. Just keep stirring. What do I do? We stir. Never mind that you have sugar all over the side of your pot, Lauren. That's not going to crystallize. Oh, no. You know what? I will be grateful if this fudge just turns out as fudge. Even if it's grainy, messed up. At least we're trying, right? Alright, I'm not going to drop the spatula again. By the way, I didn't show you like what flame I have it on. If you're ever gonna use this, it's just a little bit of flame. It's on like that. I don't know, that doesn't really help. Here's some salt, look at that. So it's just starting to melt. I should just show you. I don't want to drop my phone in there though. Horrible. It's waterproof, but I don't think it's fudge proof. So it's just starting to melt. My wonderful, beautiful mommy is cutting up my walnuts for me. And we have our dark chocolate and our white chocolate right there ready to dump in when it's done. Now normally when I'm at home, let me switch you. Normally when I'm at home and I'm at work cooking fudge or I'm at home cooking fudge, I don't have the fire. Fire's way hotter than an induction burner or my glass top burner. So it takes about 45 minutes for the fudge to cook. Here, holy monkey balls, it takes like 15 minutes. So I just have to go by what I know from how many times I've made fudge to know that it's, excuse me, at the right stage. And I think I'll be able to do it. I believe in myself, guys. I believe. Do you believe in me? Please clap your hands if you believe in me so I don't die like a fairy. Anyways, okay, I love you. I'll be back. If I'm hallucinating or not, but I think I might have just seen a hair in the fudge. I hope not. It is now starting to boil. These are terrible angles, sorry. It's starting to boil. You want to keep stirring it. If you've watched my videos, you know how to cook fudge by now. But yeah, you want to keep stirring it, otherwise it'll burn at the bottom of the pot, and that will suck because you did all this work. Realizing that I didn't grease the pan that I have to use. I didn't have the right pan. I'm using this weird thing, and I normally have parchment paper, which makes fudge a dream to take out, but now we don't. So we're going to use this, and now that I'm stirring with one hand, I don't have another hand to butter this, so I'm going to try left-handed to butter this. Maybe it'll be interesting. And it's wet, and it can't be wet. Oh god, I feel like the fudge is getting close. It's getting close. It's starting to change color. So we got 2 motions going here. I'm trying to draw 6 and 9. No, No, I'm not. I'm just... Oh my god. Okay. Cling, 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 cling. That's my mom looking for a dish. Alright, I think the fudge is pretty close, so I can't even do the dish thing. It's gonna stick. It's just gonna stick to the bottom of the pan. And that's cool, right? We're just roughing it. We're doing roughing it fudge. That's what this is. So, I gotta go and pour this chocolate in, I think. Hold on. So clumsiness runs in the family. My mom just sliced her finger while she was cutting bread. It's a filler. Yeah, so... making bread with bloody fingers. Food safe. Do as I say, not as I do. Oh, you need to wait while I'm making fudge because it's boiling right now. And your finger's bleeding, so go take care of your finger while I make this fudge. Yes. Yes. Can't bleed in the fudge. I mean, can't bleed in the food. Well, you sliced your finger open. I think this is ready. I don't know. I feel like, hold on. Yeah. Let's show you. I'm just turning you around. It's very slow boiling. I think it's done. I think if I do it anymore, I'm gonna end up with hard rock fudge. So we're gonna dump this in here. Ready? Go. We're gonna take this off of here, put it in here. But we're gonna stir, stir. Do everything, stir, stir, stir. This is hillbilly fudge, stir, stir, stir. Let's put some salt in it. Salt, salt, salt. I hope that wasn't pepper. That'd be fun, right? You know, hey, it's my luck being out here making hillbilly fudge. I bet you that was pepper. I really hope it wasn't. And I don't know if I cooked this long enough because it's pretty runny. And now I'm kind of worried I didn't cook it long enough, guys. Motherfucker. You can't just stick it back on the pot either. Yeah, look at this. Yeah, I don't think that's long enough. I think my instincts were freaking out. So let's just keep stirring it. Maybe if we stir it longer. Maybe if we, let's put it back on the heat. You know, this is an experiment anyway. So let's just experiment away, because you never know what's going to happen. And I've never put fudge back on the pot before, but why not, right? Sometimes I make mistakes. I'm human. We're just boiling it away. It's not done. Poopy. Needs to start boiling again. But I don't want to burn the chocolate. That's what the risk is here. The chocolate might burn if I don't just constantly stir it. I'm so mad. It's so cold out here and so dry that maybe by some grace of God, it'll firm up. I mean, fuck. This is no fun. You guys, this fudge isn't close to... I don't know what to do. I'm sad. You hear that? Yeah, random conversations. That's what happens. I might cut some of this out. This is pretty depressing. Pretty depressing. Alright, we'll get back to it if it works. Okay guys, I just dumped in the nuts. We're gonna see how it goes. The cream cheese is in the fridge. Sorry, this is the craziest video. I hope you guys aren't like hating me right now. This is... Oh, you turn the burner off too before you burn the house down. Okay, so slide all the shit to the side. We're gonna... It's on the second shelf. I used it the other day.
See, that helped a lot more than it's just in the fridge.
Well, I was multitasking. I'm making a YouTube video right now, for Christ's sakes. I can't find cream cheese. I was already doing potatoes.
You're killing it, Lauren. You're killing it.
I don't think that's done enough.
Shut up! See? Damn it. Don't listen to her. It's gonna work out. You guys prayed for me that she's not right and that I wasn't right earlier.
Right here.
So... I'll find out. Oh God, okay, the fudge is sitting on the table. Here's my bro, guys.
It's foaming.
What's up? We're drinking here. We're hardcore.
Sparkling.
Martinelli's. Oh yeah. And there, wait, here's the crack I made the other night. Fudge. I mean, it's okay. It's softish.
It's good.
It's tasty.
It tastes like marshmallow.
But this is going to be better. And that's my grandma's recipe, which is good, but I've kind of become accustomed to this. All right, guys.
Darkness.
Okay, guys. Sorry, I had to take my hair down. It was making my brain ache. Anyways. Oh, wow. That stayed. Anyways, the fudge is going to turn out. It's okay. It's setting up nicely. I've actually done it perfect. Like, I can touch it, and it just you know, I could barely push into it. So I think the fudge is going to be delicious. I'm very happy that I was able to make you guys a video. Sorry, so sorry about all the background noise. And I didn't smoke any weed this time. It's okay, I'll be fine. I'm about to go do that right now. Anyways, I gotta get back to cooking dinner, but I love you all, and I hope you have a really Merry Christmas. And I have another video to make as soon as I get home, because for Christmas I got some really cool polycarbonate mulch from my mommy. So we're gonna be playing around with those as soon as I get back. Hope you all have a bitchin' Christmas. If you want to subscribe and like and blah 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 blah, right on. If you don't, right on. As always, I hate pressure, so I'm never gonna pressure you guys about that shit. I'll just mention it once and be like, yep, whatever. If you want, you want. You don't, you don't. So have a great Christmas, guys. See ya soon.